Hello everyone. I went phone hunting again, but this time on the internet. And you know I like to brag, so let's begin. I have here some new phones, rare and pretty cool phones. I'll start with this one, the Nokia 5300. If the autofocus will help me once, yes. Look at this. It's in pretty good condition. I think it was already refurbished. I don't have much to do for it. See, 5300, Express Music. The difference between those two are those buttons here. The 5200 only has one button that starts the music, and those here, volume and camera. This one has forward and back. No music found, of course. This one has a bigger screen and a more clearer one compared to the other one. Yeah, it also has a protective film on the screen. Okay, put it down. Let's move on to the next one. Actually, before we move on to it, I'm going to have to put a SIM card in it because it's an older one. Can you guess what Nokia this is? This is the 7360. 7360. You know, the fashion one, or for ladies like myself. It's an original body shell, but it's pretty beat up. But the phone works. See? I'm more than certain that this is not original here. This button 7. Other than that, it works just fine. Now, I will turn it off to take the SIM card from it, or I'll continue with the SIM cards. This is the Nokia 6820A. Well, this is in a beat up shape, but it's perfectly functional. By the way, you can turn off the light on the keys, see? I think this is to conserve energy to the battery. Pretty cool phone. And of course, I have its brother right here. This body shell is in much better condition. The phone works as well. The only problem is that the camera doesn't work on this one. I don't know why. Either way, this one is perfectly functional. Oh, and the backlight won't lit on this part of the keyboard. This one works. Well, I don't mind. This one is perfectly functional, and I think I will take everything that's inside in this one and put it in this one. Make one fully functional. Otherwise, it won't go in my collection that I'm exposing. Yeah. Time to turn it off and take the battery out. This is how you take the battery out on this phone. See? Right here. This is the Nokia 6670. it's in pretty good condition. Well, a few scratches here and there, but the screen, look at it, it has just small buffs. The keyboard as well. Of course I tested it's fully functional. Yeah. Oh, I think I pressed the camera. No, thank you. Okay, no. Yeah. Of all the things that I choose. That's more like it. No message. Yeah, pretty cool. The next phone is this, the Nokia N80. Well, it's not in that of a good of a shape, but it's not bad. Well, this one it's broken, the little SD card door. And look, the camera has these settings for macro. See? I don't know what it does, but now it's for macro. See? I just pressed it and this fell off. But it's fully functional. And I have to say, what I like at this phone, I don't know why, but it has a very clear screen. It's so smooth. See? Can you see the pixels? Because I can't. It's such a smooth screen. It's the first phone that I've seen like this. Not even the N95 didn't look like this. At least in my collection. Pretty cool, in my opinion. And now, a rare and expensive phone, if you find it in good condition, the 6700S Slide. This one, it's in very good condition. I was lucky to find it. I don't know if it was refurbished, but I don't think so. It has the orange logo because, well, it has those softwares here. It has a little scratches and here, and the screen has one barely noticeable here. But other than that, see, it has that orange menu integrated in it. Also a smooth screen, like it. Man, this looks so good. The whole body shell is aluminium, maybe except for this part. Beautiful. I'm very proud of this acquisition. Yeah, so those are the phones that I freshly have in my collection. For now, there will be more to come. I'm expecting another 2 lots of phone, and those, I'll be honest with you, these are expensive phones. These are not the one that I found on the market selling us for scrap. As you can see, this one has a new body shell already. I don't know if this one is refurbished. This one is in good condition, this one as well. This one as well, this is not so good, this one not so good, but other than that, they all are fully functional, except for this with the camera problem. So yeah, these are my new phones in my collection. When when the new phones will arrive, I will keep you posted. Well, until then, see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed it. If you like these phones, which one of these phones did you had when they were popular, or do you still have them in your collection? Oh yeah, of course, please subscribe and hit that bell notification, or else this guy gets it. I'm just kidding, I don't do it. Well, bye bye.